What I meant by never mind in the last video is I'm going to finish it myself. Because that would be a really bad teacher if I just left it. Okay, melting. We left off around here. For example, okay, no. We left off in the next slide. Actually, no. Let me explain. I didn't explain. Then again, what I said about, like, boiling water. No, that's gas. If I told you, if you have a pot and you put ice in it, then the ice will melt. If you have the stove on, it will melt. Evaporation. Let's move on here. Evaporation occurs when liquid is heated at a high temperature and turns into gas. When a pot of water is on the stove, it heated the molecules. Water begins to move around rapidly and become excited, and move so quickly that they separate from each other and form from the liquid as steam. That was a mouthful. What it means by that, again, if you're like cooking soup or something, and like if you see like most of the water has evaporated, if you look in the pot after, like, for example, if you're cooking ramen, you put in a lot of water, then you put it in the soup, then you cook it. If you're looking at the end, most of the water is gone because it evaporated. If you're boiling pasta, if you put in, I don't know if I'm right, I'm just saying, if you put in like 2 liters of water, and by the time you put in the pasta, there's like, this is just an estimate, three holes and 1/2 of the water left, because it evaporates. And last one we're moving on is the condensation. When cold temperatures are applied to gas, the molecules in the gas will turn into a liquid. I don't mean if you like smoke in your freezer, then you walk back out, it's not going to turn into like liquid smoke, then the liquid smoke would turn into a solid. It's not what I mean. I'm guessing it means maybe, I don't know what types of gas would do that though. Maybe you're like your car, like coming out of the, I forgot what it's called at the end. What is it called? I honestly don't know. I don't know. Don't remember. I don't know what gases do. But on a cold morning, water vapors gas can be seen on the window like mist. When so much of this water vapors together on a cold window, the molecules cool and slow down and join, condense back together to create droplets of water. Yes, that's one of them. If it's snowing, oh, that's solid turning in liquid. When it's raining, water will hit the windows, and when it gets a little bit more sunny, it will turn like moist on the window. And if there's a lot of it, they're going to join together, the moist water, to form a liquid, which will be water. So, that is actually it for today of science. I know ELA took 1 video and science took 3, but it was a lot to break down for you guys, and hopefully my teacher puts this on. She'll be proud, probably. This took a lot of effort and explaining, so hopefully you guys did understand this a bit better than before you came watching these videos. So I hope after these videos you have learned more about the states of matter. This is the Board of School Education. Hopefully you learned. Bye-bye.